Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video. Today we have an Infiniti G37X, all-wheel drive, 159,000 miles, 2012. We just serviced it, put brand new brakes and rotors on it all around. Tires are in really good shape. Drives really good. It's just the body mechanically has some clear coat fade and stuff like that. And we'll get into the interior, some cracking on some of the leather, but mechanically, as you can see, all the brakes and rotors brand new. Just put them on. Drives really well. Just a couple of little rock chips throughout the hood, but see the inside here. So back's pretty good condition. You say there's a tear on that seat. Has a sunroof, backup camera, nav. It is all-wheel drive. A little armrest wear there. A little bit of crack and tear in the driver's side seat. Here and crank her up. She has 159,240 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a call, 228-438-2056, or you could text us as well, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche vehicle that needs service, that's our bread and butter. But we also work on other independent foreign cars, so definitely give us a shout. Thanks for checking out our video.